Example 6 here, you are actually asked to estimate the coefficient of consolidation of a clay layer. So this is a 3-meter thick clay layer, and it has double drainage, so it's a two-way drainage. So you know the time it takes to reach 90% of consolidation is 75 days. So that's what's given. For this problem, again, we're going to make use of the definition of time factor to figure out this C sub V, which is the coefficient of consolidation. So first start with the 90-degree consolidation that we're given. From this, if you use table 11.7 again, so table 11.7, for U of 90%, the time factor T sub V is 0.848. So you can get T sub V of 90% is 0.848. And because this is a two-way drainage case, so clay has double drainage, so it's two-way drainage. So the maximum drainage distance HDR is actually half of the thickness of the clay layer, so 1/2 times 3, so it's 1.5 meters. And then given the definition of time factor, it's coefficient of consolidation times time t divided by HDR square. So you can back calculate coefficient of consolidation C sub V as TV90, which is 0.848 times HDR square, 1.5 square, divided by T90, which is 75 days. So if you work out these numbers, so you're going to get 0.0254 meters square per day. And you can also convert unit. So this is also, if you express in terms of centimeter cube square per second, this is 0.00294 centimeter square per second.